Do you want to invest in anything and you are confused about how to go about it? Today, I will be explaining to you in 3 simple steps about how you can invest in anything at all and how you can be guided from beginning of the journey of your investment till the end when whatever you want to buy becomes yours. You are welcome to this channel. On this channel, I talk about real estate, investment guide, and how people can build wealth the smart way. And today, I am going to be telling you 3 simple steps on how you can invest in anything at all. So, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that you can get updates whenever I post any content on this channel. So let's get down to how you can navigate through buying or investing in anything, be it real estate, be it car, be it property of any kind. Just name it. These 3 simple steps will guide you all the way through from beginning till the end. Now, I am going to tag these 3 simple steps in 3 I's. The first I is inquire. The second I is inspect. Then the third I is invest. So with these 3 I's of inquire, inspect, and invest, it will guide you through any journey of your buying process for anything at all. So let us get down to it one after the other. So let us start with inquire. Inquire stage is the first stage when it comes to you investing in anything at all. Do you want to buy a car? Do you want to buy a property? Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to buy land or whatever? The very first step you need to know and think about taking is inquire. When we talk about inquire has to do with when the stage whereby you think and you make findings about the owner of whatever you want to buy. Let me tell you, whatever you want to buy at all, there is somebody that owns it already before you want to buy it. If it is a producer owned that product before you want to buy it. If it is a property that someone has bought before, someone already owned it before you want to buy it. So at this stage, you inquire about who owns this property. You also inquire about the documents that are backing up this property you want to buy. Whether you want to buy a land, you need to ask about the title backing up the land. Is it C of O? Is it excision? Is it gazette? Is it a deed of assignment? And so on. So if it is a car you want to buy, you need to know all the document that is in your inquiry stage is when you get to know the amount they want to sell that property or whatever it is that you want to buy. So that is inquiry stage. Now let's move to the second stage, which is inspection stage. Inspection stage is very, very important. It contributes a lot to the success of whatever you want to buy. At the inspection stage, this is when, for example, you want to buy a property or a building. This is when you go there to check the property yourself physically. You go there to inspect whatever it is you want to buy, to know the condition, because you cannot rely on videos and pictures of whatever it is you want to buy. And don't make mistake of paying before inspection. This stage, you can do it in 2 ways. You can inspect what you want to buy physically by yourself, or you can send someone there physically to help you check out whatever it is you want to buy. Also, you can also do a virtual inspection whereby you are going to be connected via the online, maybe on or any online platform, maybe Zoom, Google Meet, or whichever channel through which you can conveniently inspect that thing you want to buy or property you want to buy successfully. And in this stage of inspection, that is when you see and where you begin to check out whatever it is you want to buy. This stage helps you so that you will detect if there are any errors or if there are any underlying issue that you are unable to find out when you were inspecting the document. So, and the last stage of the stages of buying anything you want to invest in is invest. This stage is where you release your money. After you have inquired about the owner, you have checked their background, you have checked their track record, and you have also verified the documents that are backing up whatever it is you want to buy. Then the last stage is invest. This is where you put down your money in an exchange for the value you are trying to buy. And with this, I want to tell you that you should make payment carefully and properly so that there will be record of your transaction and there will not be story that touches the heart at all. You understand? And after you have made payments, one more important thing that is important, very, very critical when it comes to invest stage, which is the final stage of your investment journey, is that you do perfection of title. If it is a car you are buying, definitely you have to perfect your title. Make sure the name on the car is now yours. Collect the right plate number and all those processes that need to be done in order for your car to be road worthy. And also, if it is a property, a building, a land you are buying, after you have made payment, make sure that you perfect your title by doing the deed of transfer. If it is a property that has a C of O already, by you need to proceed to get governor's consent, and also you need to make the property to be secured. And that is what can make the cycle of investing to be very easy. I hope with these 3 steps of inquire, inspecting, and invest, you have been able to understand and grab the scope of investment process, be it in property, in land, in car, or whatever it is that you want to buy. If this video has helped you to understand the simple steps of investing, then I believe that this video worth your thumbs up. It's worth your like. It's worth you commenting in my comment section so that I can also know what your opinion is about investment. So I believe that this video will make your investment journey to be smooth and nice. I am Ayobami. See you on the next one. Bye bye.